Most of the time in English class, you're asked to skate across the surface of many books, but there's an approach that asks you to stop, pick one book, and dive to the bottom of the ocean. This is depth over breadth. It isn't about casual reading. It's about knowing a single text so intimately, every character, symbol, and scene, that it becomes part of your thinking. The key to this deep dive is using critical lenses. Think of them as specialized glasses. Each pair lets you see the story in a completely new light. A feminist lens asks, how are gender and power operating here? A Marxist lens asks, who holds the power, and is it tied to class and money? Take Shakespeare's Hamlet. Through a feminist lens, Ophelia's tragic madness isn't random. It's the psychological outcome of a patriarchal world that controls and ultimately destroys her. Switch to a psychoanalytic lens, and Hamlet's famous delay isn't just indecision. It might stem from an unconscious identification with Claudius, the man who replaced his father. A post-colonial reading could even interpret Fortinbras's invasion of Denmark as a metaphor for European colonial conquest. None of these is the single correct reading. They are all potentially valid, with one crucial rule: textual integrity. Your interpretation can't be a wild fantasy. It must be anchored in the words on the page. The goal isn't to find the one right answer. It's to prove that a great text is a universe, complex enough to sustain multiple, valid interpretations, all waiting for a skilled reader to bring them to light.